numbers. So basically, this numbers in German we call it as Zahlen. Repeat it, Zahlen.
Zahlen.
Yeah. Zero means null. Repeat,
Neun.
null.
Neun.
Eins,
Eins.
zwei,
Zwei.
drei,
Drei.
vier,
Vier.
fünf,
Vier.
sechs,
Sechs.
sieben,
Sieben.
acht,
Acht.
neun,
Neun.
zehn,
Zehn.
elf,
Elf.
zwölf.
Zwölf.
Yeah, do the pronunciation again. Null,
Null.
eins,
Eins.
zwei,
Zwei.
drei,
Drei.
vier,
Vier.
fünf,
Vier.
sechs,
Sechs.
sieben,
Sieben.
acht,
Acht.
neun,
Neun.
zehn,
Zehn.
elf,
Elf.
zwölf.
Zwölf.
Zwölf. Z we have to pronounce as S.
Okay.
Zwölf.
Zwölf.
Okay. Yeah. Now, basically, we have to learn the numbers till 12 only. After this, we are able to form the numbers. For an example, 13. Now, we have to break this number in two parts. Okay. And the
Okay.
breaking method is simply 10 plus 3. Simple
Okay.
method. 10 plus 3. Now, the last unit you have to write at the first place, and the
Okay.
first unit we have to write at the last place. Okay.
Okay.
Cross multiply we have to do. So
Okay.
this 3 is dry,
Right.
and
Zen.
10 means sane. Dry, sane.
Right. Zen.
Yeah, coming for 14, same. 10 plus 4.
Wir. Zen.
Correct. Fear, sane. Fear,
Okay.
fear. Okay. Next 15. Tell me.
Fuel.
Hmm.
Fuel. Zen.
Correct. Now 16 and 17, these both are exception. That both are exception.
Okay.
16 is Zaxane
Zen.
and 17 is Zeepsane.
Zip. Zen.
Zeepsane, correct.
Zip.
Zaxane, Zeepsane.
Okay.
Now 18. 18 means Oxane.
Octane. Oxen.
Yeah, tell me for 19.
19. Noon. Zen.
Correct. Noinsane and
Noon.
20. Swanfish. Repeat.
Swansea.
Swanfish.
Swansea.
Yeah. This IG
Okay.
as ish we have to pronounce,
Ish.
and Z as S.
Yes.
Yeah, Swanfish.
Swansea.
Yeah, first note this number still 20. Note.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. 21. So onwards 21, same method we need to apply, same cross multiply, break this number into two parts. 20
20
plus
plus
1, 20 plus 1.
okay, sir.
Last unit come first and first unit go last. But onwards 20, onwards 21, in middle, in between of last unit and the first unit, in middle your und will come, und
Und.
extra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, und we need to add. And now you know, I one means eins
Eins,
and 20.
eins und 20.
Yeah, eins und 20. But this is your exception.
Okay,
What is the
sir.
exception? Here we have na s here for
Und.
eins. This will not come.
Okay, sir.
S will not come, so it will be only ein und
Ein und 20.
20. Correct. 22. Break into two part. 20 plus 2.
20 plus 2. Zwei,
Hmm.
zwei und 20.
Correct. 22. Tell me for 25.
25.
Hmm.
Fünf,
Hmm.
fünf und 25.
Correct. 25, 26 and 27.
6, 6,
Sechs.
6,
Und
6 und
20.
20.
Yeah. And 27.
7,
Sieben.
7.
Yeah.
7 und 20.
Correct. 27. Okay. That's a method. Now coming for 30. 30. 30 is 30. Repeat it.
Drei,
30.
30.
Yeah, this beta we have to pronounce as double
Yes,
S.
sir.
30. Coming for 31. Now you can make a note as well. As we have the 21 exception,
Yes, sir.
here S will not come. Same
Yes.
31 we have exception. Your
Okay,
21, 31, 41 up to 91. For
Okay,
one, for one, only ein will come, not eins.
Okay.
Not eins. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 31, 30 plus 1. Ein
Ein,
und 30.
ein und 30.
Yeah. Tell me for 34. Tell me.
30. Wir
Vier.
und
Vier und
wir 30.
yes. 38.
38. Ab und 30.
Correct. 8 und 30. So same method we have for all the numbers. Now going to tell you the numbers which are ending with 0.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 40 is 40.
Wir sind
54.
54,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90.
Yes. You can check this 60 and 70. Both are the same exception as 16 and 17, right?
Yes, sir.
Check. Only Zeg and Zeep I wrote here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note it.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now see. Translate for 99.
Okay.
Translate.
99.
Yeah.
Noon and
9
neun
und
und neunzig.
yes. 81.
81. Wait. Afternoon.
Mm-hmm. 81.
What? Okay. What?
80 plus 1.
In.
Ein
Moon. Moon.
und 80.
Monday.
Yes. 67 and 76.
67.
Hmm.
Sieben.
7.
Sieben und
Hmm.
sieben.
Sächsisch.
Spuzexis.
Yeah. 7 und Sächsisch. Here we have.
Spuzexis.
76.
Sir, I can't understand the pronunciation for 6 and 7.
Okay.
I have a problem.
Do the pronunciation. Eins,
Eins,
zwei,
zwei,
drei,
drei,
vier.
vier,
Fear. It's fear.
vier.
In this. Okay.
Okay.
Fear. Fünf.
Vier,
Fünf. Sechs.
sechs,
Sieben.
sieben,
Yeah, you know very well if EI is together, I have to pronounce I only, right?
eight. Yes,
If
sir.
I is together, then E.
EI.
E
E.
only. So I is
Okay.
together. So E I have to pronounce Sieben.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. Acht.
Acht,
Neun.
neun.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 70 plus 6. The 6 is Zax.
Sechs,
And
Jackson,
70.
sieben,
Siebzig. Exception.
sieben. Oh,
Exception. Siebzig.
sieben.
Yeah. So if I am writing your exceptions, 16, 17, 60 and 70. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now see for 100. 100 is hundred
100,
or 100. Repeat.
100 or 100.
Correct. 100 or 100. Right. Okay. Noted.